Great. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, northeastern Anderson County.
It's coming in Rochester too. Oh my goodness.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Frankfort, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is
Severe thunderstorm coming.
Capital City Airport, Bridgeport, Avenstic, Evergreen, and Farmdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page, or tweet your report using hashtag #LMJSpotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh my god. Well, I don't care about severe thunderstorm.